Good morning, students. Let us say question number 4. A circle is given, okay, with chord as BC. Now it is given to us angle ABC is equal to 69. So angle ABC, this angle is given to us as 69. Angle ACB is equal to 31. Angle ACB, this angle is given to us as 31. We have to find the measure of angle BDC. BDC, that means we have to find the measure of this angle. Okay. Now let us see this triangle. Triangle ABC. In this triangle ABC, this angle is 69, this angle is 31. Let us find this angle, angle A. So, angle BAC plus this angle plus 69 plus 31. So the sum of these three angles is 180 degree. So angle BAC plus 69 plus 31. 9 plus 1 is 10. 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10. Equal to 180. So angle BAC is equal to 180 minus 100. So we'll get how much? 180 degree. So I got this angle as 80 degree. Now we have to find measure of angle BDC. Now this angle is equal to this angle. Why? Remember, if this is the same chord and on the same chord there are two angles on the circumference, means say for example, suppose this is a circle, we have one chord, okay. Now if with this chord if I make two angles, suppose this one and suppose this one, then these two angles, the angles made at the circumference, these are always equal. So here I got angle 80 degree. So this angle is also how much? 80 degree. So similarly, what we can write? Angle BDC. This is also 80 degree. So answer is 80 degree. Okay. Let us see question number 5. Circle is given. BC is the chord. BAC, it is the angle made at the circumference with this chord. Angle BDC, this is also angle. ACD, it is given to us 20 degree. BEC, given to us 130. We have to find angle BAC. We have to find angle BAC, means we have to find this angle. So if we are able to find this angle, we can conversely say that both the angles are same. So instead of finding this angle, let us find this angle. Let us find this angle. Now you see nicely, this is a triangle, okay. This is a triangle and this is the exterior angle. Suppose this is a triangle and if I draw one angle outside, so this will be the exterior angle. And remember, an exterior angle is always equal to sum of interior angles. That means this 130 is equal to sum of remote interior, means this one plus this one. So we can write exterior angle is equal to sum of interior angles in triangle, okay. Interior means remote interior. So this exterior angle is equal to sum of these two. So suppose this angle is x. So what we can say, exterior angle means 130 is equal to sum of these two angles, means 20 plus, we have taken as x. So suppose x. So this 20 will go to the other side to become minus 130 minus 20. So we will get 110. So I got this angle as 110. So if this angle is 110, we can also say that this angle also 110. That means angle BAC. Similarly, we can say angle BAC. This is also 110. Was it clear? In the previous question I told you, these two angles are equal. So if I got this angle as 110, it means this angle is also 110. So all of you practice the questions, okay? Thank you.